All right, I opened the pool this year. It was green. I shocked it and added a chlorine. It became very cloudy. I tested it. The pH level was at about 6. So I added pH increaser and we are still cloudy. I'm just about at 6.8, so I need to add some more increaser to get it up to normal. My question is, once the pH is balanced, will the cloudiness disappear on its own? Do I need to use some type of a flock, or is it something else that I should do?
What it sounds like to me is if the water was green when you opened it and you added chlorine, is you probably have dead algae suspended in the water, which it's not enough, it's not bulky enough to get caught in your filter, and it just sort of filters through and stays cloudy. You could flock it, and what flocking does is it settles it to the bottom and you vacuum it out. But I think where I would start is a water clarifier. It's called a clarifier is a polymer coagulant. Basically what it does is it takes all those fine particles and clumps them together into big enough particles that the filter then can remove them. That's probably the best place. Just by increasing your pH, you are not going to clear your water. As with your pH lower, your chlorine is more active to do what it needs to do. So raising that pH up to a normal level, which I'm going to agree to do, that you do because it will make the water comfortable to swim in, but a lower pH actually makes the chlorine more active, so it should be doing its job. So likely it's not a chlorine or a pH thing, likely it's a clarifier, or in worst case scenario, you could use a flocking agent, which basically takes all of that stuff that's suspended in the water, drops it to the bottom, you vacuum it out on waste, which now you're going to lose some water in doing that, and that should clear it up.